Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can make an Instagram post. So it's relatively easy. All you have to do is open up Instagram, and you can either use your camera or make sure you have the post ready. But then you can press the plus icon in the bottom in the center, and then that's going to load up all the stuff you have on your phone. Okay, you can either do a post, a story, a reel, or a live, but we want to do a post. Okay, let's just say it's gonna be this right here. Okay, and that can be your post. You can also select multiple, then you just tap next at the top, and then you can edit it how you want. Tap on next again, and once you have set everything up here, you can go ahead and click on share. If this video helped you out, drop a like on it and subscribe to this channel.